We farm in the Outlook, Montana area, up in the northeastern part of Montana. Peas, lentils, durum wheat, canola, flax. When I bought this cleaner, I was never going to get into the custom grain cleaning business because we always had a guy came in and we paid him money to, just clean seed because it was a lower amount of bushels. Well, we had a wet year where this vomitoxin, the disease in our wheat, was prevalent throughout the whole acreage. So it ended up, we had to clean 100 to 150,000 bushels of grain. So the cost for me buying this cleaner to clean 100,000 bushels, saved me $50,000 of custom cleaning. So that's the original reason we bought that, was to basically scalp our grain to get rid of this vomitoxin so it made it marketable to the elevators. When we got into the disease part of the wheat, where we're cleaning 100,000 bushels instead of maybe 5 to 10, I'm not going to pay a custom guy $50,000 to do the vomitoxin, but now that I have the cleaner, I can just go ahead and clean my own seed also, because it does that good a job for just my seeding purposes.